Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And yeah, let's just get right into it. And there's like three things here, so we're going to be unboxing all of these. Even though this is not a box, we're still going to unbox that. Where we're going to start is, I think we're going to start with this one. This one is lighter than this one, and I'm pretty sure this one is the heaviest and probably has like the, you know, the phone in it. So we're going to start off with this. I'm going to tear it open right here, if I can. There we go. Don't need that anymore. Ooh, there we go. What did we get? There we go. Wow. Alright, we're definitely going to need this for our phone, so we're going to have to very carefully set this off to the side. Oh, okay. There's more. Okay, there's more. We got the screen protector here. It's going to be very useful for protecting the screen, even though it is pretty durable already. But we got it for the new iPhone 6.7-inch 2021 5G compatible. That's right, guys. We have a 5G compatible screen protector. It's very nice. It gets very high speeds, so it's gonna be great. Okay, I don't think we need this. It doesn't seem very important. Like, it just says airspeed. I don't know. I'm just gonna toss it aside for now. But now we're going to be moving on. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Okay, we don't need this anymore, I don't think. So I'm gonna just toss that aside. And here we got the case. And it's covered in plastic. Not really what I was expecting. And yeah, I know this thing is in the way. All right, it's like right in my face, but it has to be there. So this is the case. Pretty cool. I don't know why it was wrapped in plastic, since they said they were gonna not wrap really anything in plastic. But here it is, and we're gonna set that aside. Here we go to the main unboxing. How do you open this? There we go. There we go. Got it open. Got the box open. Wow. Okay, so I guess it must have been important then. This must have been the most important part. Like, I think this part right here, this plastic bit right here, I think this is really important. So I'm gonna set this right here because it's the most important thing. And look how great this plastic is. Wow. Oh, we got something else in here. Oh, we got something else with our plastic. Looks like a phone. I think they sent it to the wrong thing, man. I thought they would just send us the plastic. So here we got the 13 Pro Max. Comes in the black box, and it's the Sierra blue. So wow, this black box looks really nice actually. And so instead of plastic, they have these like tab things where you just pull off. Look at that. And pull off the bottom as well. That way, then you know that somebody has not opened your phone and just taken it out of there. So, well, that was a lot easier than I was expecting. I think I waited too long. I think it was already falling out by then. But there it is. Wow, that looks really nice. I mean, we compare it to the 12 Pro, it looks pretty cool. And the camera, holy crap! We don't have the 12 Pro Max here, so it's not as big of a difference from the 12 Pro Max to the 13 Pro Max, but it is quite a big difference between these, at least. Look at that. Look at that camera bump size difference. Okay, let's peel off the paper sticker thing right here. There we go. Okay. Wow, that notch looks really nice. You can see kind of tell that, yeah, the notch is definitely smaller. And if you look at my phone, obviously you can tell because a little bit easier because of the fact that it has a screen protector on it. It's a little bit dirty, but yeah, it's what happens when you use it. I'm not going to be setting it up in this video, but I will be turning it on. There it is. It's turning on. Wow, okay. While it's turning on, let's open up the case, or get out the case. Oh, okay. And here we go. Here's the case. Hopefully all three angles are shown because this is going to be really weird. Holy cow. Okay, so this is the silicone case, not the leather one, but this is the silicone one. So let's take it out of here if I can. So this comes with MagSafe, and it looks a little bit different from the other one because this one right here As you can see, it has like a shiny thing, but I think they just removed it. Overall differences in this case are not very much, except for the fact that the camera bump is quite a little bit bigger than the other one. And, oh wait, what the, wait, hang on a minute. Wait. If you want a case for your case, you can get this. Oh, wow, wow. That's really impressive, okay. It's holding the whole phone and everything. There we go. Okay, we're gonna see how this looks, and it does magnetize to it, and I want to see how small it was, and it looks pretty small compared to the case. What we're gonna do now is put this case on this phone, and there it is. Ooh, there it is. There's the hello thing. You know, people say that they got that animation after updating to iOS 15. I did not get that animation. Here's the notch. Wow, this is actually a really heavy phone. So I'm gonna put this wallet on the back of this. That camera bump is huge. You can see the notch difference. Like, oh my god, it's huge. It is huge difference. It's like 20% smaller is what they said. For whatever reason, they don't add the battery percentage. For whatever reason, I don't know. Okay, we got the cable as well. Of course, it was only the cable. We only get the cable with the USB-C and Lightning. We got SIM ejector in there as well. And that's pretty much it in there. This is extreme camera bump right here. And on the table, it does wobble. It does wobble a lot. Guess what, guys? I have not noticed 120 hertz yet. I have not noticed at all, because guess what? I'm one of those people that just don't notice. Just don't notice it. It does have 120 hertz now. I wanted to do one more thing, which is take off the cases that I just put on there, and then I wanted to see what it looks like with trying to put it on the old case. We got, oh my god. It doesn't really fit in there because it's too big, but like, you can get an idea of how much bigger this camera bump is just by looking at this. And then let's do the opposite. So let's take the 12 Pro and put it on this case. Oh my god. That is enormous. Look at how big that camera bump is compared to that. Oh, did it magnetize to it? It magnetized to it. It does not fall off. Like, I'm not holding it. It's just holding a magnet. So the magnets on this case are pretty strong. I mean, not strong enough to hold the phone, I guess. Thanks for watching this video. If you really want to see that next video, the hands-on of all iPhone 13s and the new iPads, make sure you stay subscribed and get subscribed if you're not already. If you haven't heard me say that already, get subscribed. You right there. In the back. No, you in the back. Right there. I know. Yeah, you're just watching this video on your TV and then you got all your friends watching. I see you back there. You're not subscribed. Bye.